How to post a thread on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you launch the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to post a thread on your X account, here in this home screen, you can see the plus icon in the bottom right. Tap on this. Now, you need to select this post option. From here, you can create a post. This section was formerly known as tweets, but the name has been changed to the post. So in order to post a thread, I'll be creating multiple posts. So this is my first post. In order to create a thread, here in the bottom right, you can see the plus icon. Tap on this. Now you can customize another post from here. You can also attach the photos or videos along with the post. You can customize as you like. You can even control the visibility of this post. Similarly, you can create multiple posts. And once you are done, now in order to post this thread, you can tap on this post all button in the top right corner. And there you go. That's how you can easily post a thread on your X account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.